My dear friends, a very happy greetings. Hope you are watching and listening this video in your enthusiastic spirits. My name is Shrikant Gupta and we are very excited to share one of the most fundamental secrets to speak naturally, fluently and powerfully to celebrate English. This secret to celebrate English is simple but very powerful. If you want to speak excellent English, you would have to follow this secret, and the secret will not only help you to speak excellent English but also natural and spontaneous English. But before we reveal the secret, would like to share a very beautiful thought with you. If you speak what you know. But if you listen, you come to know what you don't know. And the fundamental secret to celebrate English is listening, listening and listening. Listening not only helps you to speak English in a more natural and enjoyable manner, but also is the only key to communication. For example, if somebody asks you, how will you beef up your presentation? What's your core competency? Why did you call off the meeting? Can I take a rain check? Why didn't you jot down the points? How will you answer if you don't understand these questions? Don't worry, my dear friends. The problem is not with your English, but you have never heard these phrasal verbs before. So if you listen more, you will learn more. And if you learn more, you will earn more. And if you earn more, we encourage you to return so we could create a greater world around. Friends, have you ever thought, how do the small children learn a language? And the answer is, children learn the language through listening. They don't study grammar rules. They don't use textbooks. They don't take tests. Yet small children master spoken English. If we ask you a question, how did you learn your native language? Did you go for any tuition or coaching or training institute to learn your native language? The answer to these questions will be a big no. Means you learned your native language through listening, listening and listening. The researchers and the language experts from across the globe have found and concluded that speaking ability can be developed through the listening ability. We have observed in many schools and colleges that most of the school teachers, whether in middle schools, secondary schools, senior secondary schools, colleges, universities, focus on textbooks, and the entire sessions are defined and driven by the textbooks only. If your goal is to pass the exams, get the degrees, then this is a great way to study. But if you want to speak natural English, these methods won't help you. Because scientifically and practically it has been proven that listening skill develops your speaking skill and your reading skill excels you in writing skill. We have heard it several times from our students that we can write English well, but we can't speak in the same way. The reason behind this is English conversation is different from English writing. We use different type of English, including vocab and conversation compared to writing. In fact, experts say that 80% of your time studying English should be spent in listening. Dear friends, listening is like a balloon with a string tied to speaking. As the listening level rises, it pulls the speaking ability up with it. They go up together, but the listening ability will always be higher. Listening provides the fundamental and foundation for speaking, and please remember, listening is different from hearing. In hearing, it is not necessary that you understand what the person is saying. But listening is hearing with understanding. Listening means understandable input. If you don't understand, you are not learning. No understanding means no improvement. We suggest you to listen easy English. We suggest you to listen English of those people around you who have better speaking skills, so you could get motivation from them. We have IICS channel, Inspirit Institute of Communication Skills channel, where students share their experiences and present their thoughts on different topics in English. You can listen to them and it will inspire you to speak, because if these students from different backgrounds can speak English, you also can. You can watch movies with their subtitles like Life Goes On, Gladiator, Castaway. All these are very inspirational and superb movies. You can listen to some experts who are great in English related to your profession and educational background. It will help you in developing your language skill as well as knowledge in your field. You can listen to some English news channels and it will help you in knowing what's happening around the world. Dear friends, sometimes students ask us, will listening to music improve our English? Personally, I don't suggest learning English through music. Honestly saying, even I don't understand some words the English singer sings. The pronunciation used in songs are not normal. Singers frequently change the natural pronunciation in order to fit the words into the melody of the music. Now finally, we would like to conclude, my friends, that listening is always the first step to speak. Your speaking ability grows out of listening ability, and would like to remind you the thought we shared in the beginning of the video, that if you speak what you know, but if you listen, you come to know what you don't know. Thank you so much, my dear friends.